Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jimmy Barkan. We're going to head right over to the studio in Fort Lauderdale, Prana Hot Yoga, and we're going to flow 5 hip opening postures that I recently tutorialed in this video. So let's not waste any more time. Let's head over to the studio with Barkan teacher Katt and let's flow. So starting in Shavasana, legs about hip width apart, completely relax the feet. Arms by your side, palms up. Chin down, back of the neck on the floor. In this first Shavasana, we're still staying alert, letting the body know that the class is just starting, this particular gentle flow. So we're going to be completely relaxed. Shavasana means dead man's pose. So still as a corpse, but in the inside, a tremendous amount of energy is flowing. So we start with Supta Bhadrasana, the soles of the feet together, all the way up to the tailbone. The knees open out. You can place your hands on the inner thighs to help with that rotation, or hands on the floor, palms up, and just relax and breathe. Let all the tension go. We hold this one a little bit longer. By holding it longer, we allow the connected tissue a chance to release. You can exaggerate your exhaling breath. Think of breathing into any tension area you may have. So send the breath to the hips, lower back, wherever you might need a release. Then slowly bring your knees together, slide the legs down, Shavasana. Let the circulation flow back into that target area. Think of the posture as a beginning, middle, and end, and this is the end of the pose, just as important as the meat of it, just as important as the middle. Let's go to belly twist, Jatara Parivartanasana. Knees up, feet flat. We're going to shoot our hips out to the right a few inches, a few centimeters, knees to the left. Hold the top thigh with the left hand, look over the right shoulder. Keeping the spine parallel to the mat, long exhaling breath. Your shoulder drops down, the underneath side of your rib cage drops down. Long exhale, let all the tension go. Change, back to center, push your hips to the left, knees to the right, twisting to the left. Hold the top thigh, look over the left shoulder and breathe. So we exaggerate that exhaling breath. Not just the side body, but the lower back. That's where the benefit is taking place. Long exhale. And slowly change, come on back to Shavasana, arms by your side, palms up. Janapadasana 1, foot to knee pose 1, knees up, feet flat. Your right foot's going to go on the top part of your left thigh, creates a hole or a space. Right hand shoots through the hole. You can either interlace your fingers at the top of the knee or underneath the hamstring, either one. You're going to pull the knee to the chest. Now you're holding your left knee and make sure the left foot stays parallel. Not just pulling the knee to the chest, but moving that right knee to the back of the room at the same time. An opposite direction. Left knee in, right knee back. It's really the hip that's going back. Feel it in that hip. Take the pressure off the knee. Change. Relax in Shavasana. Completely unravel. Let the circulation flow through and take its course. And other side, knees up, feet flat. Left foot on top of the right thigh. Left hand shoots through, pull the right knee in, left knee back. Again, using the left arm to push back on that thigh. You're going to feel it on the left side glute, piriformis. And exaggerate the breath. Exhale, let it out. Change, back Shavasana. Arms by your side, palms up. Circulation runs its course into the target area we just worked on. Janapadasana 2, knees up, feet flat, foot to knee pose 2. We're going to heel toe the right foot out to the right. Keep the foot on the ground and draw that knee back into the left. Hold the right hip with your right hand. Bring your left foot on top of the left. Bring your left foot on top of the right thigh and let the left leg drop to the ground. Internal rotation of that right hip. You're holding the hip down. Now toward the end, take your right arm over your head for a side body stretch, as well as that internal stretch with the IT band. Long exhale. Change, back Shavasana, unwind completely. Other side, knees up, feet flat, heel toe the left foot out to the left. Draw that knee into the right. Don't let the knee cross the center body. Keep it directly in front of the hip. Bring your right foot over to the left thigh. Let the right leg drop to the ground. Hold the left hip with your right hand. Bring your arm overhead. Side body stretch. Just the weight of that right leg is stretching you out, that internal rotation. Change. Back Shavasana, palms up, arms by your side. And the last pose in the series, Ananda Balasana, happy baby. Grab a hold of the feet, stack the feet over the knees, and pull the knees down to each side of you. So as you're pulling on the feet, knees to the ground, heels to the ceiling. You're going to think of that opposite direction happening. Play with the angle where your legs are to find the right position to open up the hips. Long exhale. One more deliberate breath. And slowly change back Shavasana, arms by your side, palms up. And this time, close your eyes. As we relax into the floor, blood and oxygen, the prana shakti flowing into every part of our being, allow it to happen. I thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time. Namaste. So that's our episode for today. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, smash the like button if you enjoy this flow, and I'll see you the next video. Bye everyone.